Hi, my name is Julie and I've been coming to the Glen Dental for the last 3 years. Before I had Invisalign, I always was insecure about my smile and my teeth. It wasn't bad, but I always wanted to make it perfect, to have this perfect smile. I definitely smile more now and I'm not scared to give this big smile and show my teeth, and it's give me some confidence in life and even in my career. I love the Glen Dental office because everybody friendly, everybody smile, everybody know my name, and how there's not that many offices you can say but know exactly your name, and they always ask even about my kid, which is amazing considering how many patients they have. They really make me feel like part of a family, like extended family. I would definitely recommend this office. Everybody friendly, everybody honest, everybody transparent. So if you want something trustworthy, I guess this is the place for this.